All right, so we're over here cooking Brussels sprouts and trying to encourage you guys to grow your own produce and eat healthier. Gardening is fun, it's a lot of work, but we're over here, we've got some romaine lettuce cut up, and we've got a red bell pepper here, and I have cored it. I've got the inside out and the seeds. So I made a mistake of planting peppers that my friend took the seeds out of a green bell pepper and put them in this bowl, and they have not really germinated. You can see over here I've got pepper, California Wonder, and I think there's only one that grew. So those seeds aren't mature, but the seeds that come out of a red bell pepper, they are, and they can sprout. So there we've got some seeds there, and we just wanted to share that tip with you guys just because I didn't know it, and if I didn't know it, I figure somebody else out there doesn't know. So like I said, we're over here cooking Brussels sprouts. That's one of the best foods to eat, and I just encourage you guys, try to incorporate some greens into your diet. I know it's not the easiest thing to do. As a kid, I would spit them into the napkin when my mom would make me eat them, but now I love them. So you just put a little butter and a little salt in there, and they're good to go. You want it? Huh? You want it? Well, that was fast.